What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm about to do some work on the Raptor. I got a soft open strut so that when I open the tailgate, it doesn't fall all the way down. It kind of just soft opens. And it's a kit that I bought from Rough Country. So I got my bed cover and now this from Rough Country. They have a lot of stuff available for trucks. So today I'm going to install this. Shouldn't take very long, but let's see what we got. So in the kit, of course, you got the strut, and then you have various parts. All right, that's everything. So this looks like it attaches at some point. I think it's the top. This is a riv nut that goes into the door, along with the bottom part for the strut, to attach the strut, and then some other accessories, right? So for this, I'm going to need, for the Raptor, a T50 drill, and a drill bit, and a riv nut pusher tool thingy thing that, hey, I just so happen to have. Man, right here. So I'm going to use this kit, and in here, shout out to my boy Aaron, co-worker of mine, for letting a brother borrow this. So I'm going to use this to put the riv nut into the thingamajigget, thingy, the door thingy, thing. And then a 17/32 drill bit. This makes me nervous, but I think it's going to be fun at the same time. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, use this T50 to take this. Let's go lefty loopy. Take this off of here. That should be enough for a brother to take it off with his hands, right? There you go. Pop that. Now, leave this. We'll go here, like so. But your boy's got two hands. And guess what? My camera stand isn't charged. This sucks. Be right back. All right, there we go. So just like that, plates on. Now, second part is this hole right here has to be hollowed out, wallered out, as they say down south. But you have to widen that hole for the riv nut to go in, like so. There's two ways you can do this, right? Either way, you're gonna need this drill bit to open this up, open that hole up. So use the drill bit to open that hole up. Now, once you put this in here, you can either use this tool here or this supply bolt. And once you screw this bolt into the riv nut, it'll basically open up that riv nut to keep it locked in there for you to install this anchor right here. So I'm going to figure out how to use that. But first, I'm going to widen this hole. Be right back. All right, so that hole is now wallered out, widened out. But anyway, this fits in the hole. So now I want to first get this out of here. And then use said tool from Rough Country. It's a NIIIICE toolkit. So I believe the way this goes is you screw this on here. This goes in here. And then you open that. So again, I have two hands. All right, so now that that's in, now you put your anchor in. And once you get that screwed in, it's a 13 millimeter to tighten it. Good to go. A little more. All right, we're good. All right, now for the strut. I'm gonna open this. Could have opened it one hand. Pretty cool, huh? One end, and I hate having to put you guys down, man. Clear the stuff off the bed real quick. All right, here we go. I might have to put you guys down. Or not. I think we can do this. I think we can do this. I think I got you guys. This is not working out, bro. I don't. All right. Give me a second. Gotta work this out. All right, give me a second. Because it's supposed to snap right in. So, be right back. It actually did. It snapped right in. And there it is. Now, let's see what kind of clearance we got when we close it. It's like ragu, baby. It's in there. And open. Sheesh. Nice and soft. And close. We're looking good. Open. Bam. Shh. Noise. Done. Just in time too, because it's getting dark. Yeah. All right. So there you have it. I would have did all that inside, but Beast doesn't fit in a garage all the way. And I really didn't feel like moving. I didn't feel like moving Beauty in the granny mobile. Don't tell my wife I called it the granny mobile. Keep that between us, okay? All right, I'm trusting you guys. Keep it between us. But I didn't feel like moving to Murano, so, and it was a quick job, so I just did it out in the driveway real quick. Now it's time to go relax, chill. I actually have a day off from my main job tomorrow, so I'll pretty much be doing real estate and doing that. Yeah. And maybe even do some content, but I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But that's all I got for now. Hey, just, again, I want to thank you guys for rocking with me. Really appreciate it. I'm over 12,000 subs. So thank you so much. And hey, stick with me. There's more to come. All right. That's all I got for now. Check you later. Peace.